Now, let us understand how are Google Ads organized. Organizing campaigns. Campaigns, a set of ad groups, ads, keywords, and bids that share a budget, location, targeting, and other settings. Campaigns are often used to organize categories of product or services that you offer. Your Google Ads account can have one or many ad campaigns running. Each campaign consists of one or more ad groups. Settings that you can set at campaign level include budget, language, location, distribution for the Google network, and more. You can create separate ad campaigns to run ads in different locations or use different budgets. Now let us understand what are ad groups. An ad groups contains one or more ads which target a shared set of keywords. Each of your campaigns is made up of one or more ad groups. Use ad groups to organize your ads by common theme. For example, try separating ad groups into different product or services types you offer. This is how the structure looks like. So, once you open your Google Ads account using your Gmail, under each ads account you can create any number of campaigns. Under each campaign you can create several ad groups. And each ad group will be having several ads. So this example clearly tell you how Google campaigns are organized.